Kuki militants rained bullets from Mongbung Kuki village towards Mongbung Meitei village last night around 7:30 p.m. As per sources, village volunteer Mongbung police picket and commando unit Jiribam retaliated to the fire, which resulted in the heavy exchange of gun battle. However, there were no reports of casualty. In response to the gun battle, a combined security forces of Jiribam District Police led by SPKH Robinson, including commando units, troops of CRPF led by DIG, along with the 39th Assam Rifles CO, conducted search operation this morning around 9:30 a.m. at Mongbung areas. According to police, a huge cache of arms and ammunition suspected to be hidden by Kuki militants were seized at 11:30 a.m. The seized weapons were one pistol of .32 along with 2 magazines loaded with 4 7.6 live rounds ammunitions, 11 live round ammunitions of 7.62 by 51, 2 live round ammunition of 5.56, 3 ammunitions of 7.62 by 45 millimeters, 16 pumpy bombs, 560 empty cartridges of 12 bore, 11 live rounds ammunition of 12 bore, 18 empty cartridges of 8 mm, 105 empty cartridges of .303 and other warlike stores. Speaking to media, a resident of Mongbung Meitei village reported that this recent attack marks the 7th time Kuki militants have targeted the village since its residents returned. She questioned how long the villagers can withstand the escalating violence, which includes bombings and gunfire. The woman also criticized the silence of the Jiribam MLA in the face of these attacks and expressed her frustration, warning that if the MLA continued to be unresponsive, then the villagers might have no choice but to abandon their homes to the MLA and Superintendent of Police and flee for their safety. She also urged Chief Minister N. Biren to deploy CRPF forces and bolster the presence of state security personnel in the area.
Moina haurak padi ngasi numi tarik ni subani nukti ye khoda kapsala ngi tause aduna asama phalak tana khana pu sambi gadra na khali adu su tawi de commando lairi akhoi police lairi sing su CRP lai sing na su wadan phangde moida wadan PB de ana su laire akhoi hudi kamai tamna laidol ge akhoi awari mo oire hayi akhoi na chakka belambi suda asama phan na laira bani na akhoi hudi me ta chakka mandri hudi bawda akhoi kayani sumai tamna mirot oina lai dol ge sarkar na jalbi do bani na Chen Biren na so jambi da bani na akhoi hudi kai daw har ge moi manata laga akhoi moi mayam na nong kap na happe piro natakana akhoi gi Jiribam puba SP MLA moi siga akhoi gi lamche chinajara mage jum mai cha ku chu jaroi lam mang chu jaroi akhoi na phang khuding da akhoi thawai hin na bachen jara ge machi mayam na machi khambi bata bani khambi laga di akhoi mang man thokpa mang ani jaroi kadai cha khaya na su phang de ngachi ba wa han pa hong na chong te ji ge MLA adu kai tawi kara tawi kamai soi chokpa khotba da bura hangte asi karina khona tawja da ba khona su kya ha ja re asama phan ji ga thambi no ya ga CRP thambi waina phang khuni bakcha ta khoi chong kak ba re hauji khoi kari dau si ge ado sarkar na khanda biraga akhoi da aja ba ma pibi o